Hello guys, welcome to Jamie Opens Up. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing kind of like a VLOGMAS type video. We're going to be making fudge. I've never made fudge before, so this is going to be something new to me. If you ever seen that video of Paris Hilton making lasagna, that's kind of like how it's going to be. My kitchen is not equipped for this. I'm going to try my best and hope that it comes out right. It's not too complicated. I'm more of a cook and not a baker, so this is kind of in between. So wish me luck, guys. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, so we got all of our ingredients here. I don't have anyone recording me today, so it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit of you guys seeing and a little bit of me holding the camera. Alright, you guys, so I know I said that we're going to be doing my sister's recipe, and that's going to be the main focus of the video, but I did want to show you guys this 3-ingredient recipe that I saw all over TikTok and Facebook. So we're going to try that really quick. It's super easy. You just take a can of condensed sweet milk and a bag of chocolate chips and a tablespoon of pure vanilla. And you just mix that together, and it's supposed to be like a simple basic fudge. So we're going to try that, and we're going to compare it to my sister's recipe, which has more of components to it. Definitely more of like a homemade fudge. So we're just going to give out both recipes a try and see how it goes. Alright, you guys, so we have our ingredients. We have our hot milk. I forgot what it's called, sorry. Condensed sweetened milk. Okay. One second. I'll put this right here. This is really hard doing with one hand, guys, so hold on. Alright, you guys, we have our hot condensed sweet milk, so we're going to add in our chocolate chips. I should have made that hole bigger. Sorry guys, we had a little technical difficulties, but now we have our chocolate and our hot milk, and it is melting perfectly. You keep stirring this until it's all combined. Alright guys, so this is what we have. We have a very smooth, creamy chocolate. I hope that this, I did add maybe a little, not even a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of butter, only because it did look like a little bit gritty, like I needed something else. I don't know if this is going to turn out right or set right, but at least we have the other recipe. This was just something I saw really quick and tried, but I could have definitely messed it up because I am not, this is my first time trying this, guys, so I guess we'll have to find out at the end after it cools, but we're still letting it heat up because I still see those little chunks. Alright you guys, so I think our mixture is pretty ready. So we're going to, do you see that? I think that's way too thin. I don't think this is going to turn out how it's supposed to. But I guess we'll give it a shot and see how it works. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. Because they made it look really good. But I don't remember it being this liquidy. Alright guys, so we'll go try my sister's real recipe now and see how that works out. Alright you guys, so last minute I decided I want to try adding some marshmallows into this one and seeing how it would come out. Just the little corners. So we have all our ingredients set out. I'm reading the recipe as we go off my sister's message. This is like a last minute idea. My pan is old, don't judge me. So we have our semi-sweet chocolate, 1 cup sugar, a whole stick of butter, pure vanilla extract, marshmallow cream, and then sweetened condensed milk. Alright guys, so we have our stick of butter, a cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of condensed sweetened milk, and then we're going to go ahead and put this in. I only have one hand this, so I'm going to have to come back to that. 1 second guys. guys, we got all that ooey gooey wonderful mess out of there. Ava's playing in the background. Oops. So this is gonna be a mission, guys. See, this has already failed. I'm sorry. The video is hard. I definitely need a person to record me while I'm doing this. Let me try switching hands since I'm not left-handed.
Right now.
You do? Go do your homework, please.
No. So we can have this.
Take 2 markers. See, you guys, this thick consistency was what I was looking for in the first one. So I definitely feel like this is already going to turn out a lot better. I don't know if this is going to come to a boil, but it's almost pretty much melted. I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Alright, you guys, sorry we're having a little bit of a mess here. We're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. And then we're going to add our bag of chocolate chips.
There's a wipey.
We're going to remove it from the heat.
There's a wipey, Mom.
Thanks, baby. Can you clean up that mess right there on the floor? That's what kids do.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're incorporating that chocolate off of the heat. I hope I didn't let the marshmallow get too hot.
Okay, all clean. Wait, Mom, all clean now. The mess is all gone.
Thanks, babe.
Yeah, good, Mom. Has a new bun. Oh, I know.
Alright, guys, that's starting to become that nice fudge. Actually, I think it might have actually been a success.
Okay, now I can spin. Yay!
Alright. Now we have to work quickly. My spatula is getting way too hot in here, so I had to switch to the whisk.
Sorry, Mom. Alright.
Alright, you guys, so we put it in the sheet, we spread it around. Alright, you guys, so now we're going to add our nuts to half of it. And we're going to refrigerate for about an hour, and then we're going to try both of them and see which one turned out better. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know that this is going to be raw. Like, I'm not going to edit out my daughter crying in the back because this is life. This was a Vlogmas. Or, yeah, I think that's what, yeah. So, it's going to be raw. There's going to be some crying. There's going to be a kid yelling in the back playing. There's going to be a little bit of all of that. And there's going to be a little bit of mess ups. I don't bake very often. This is new to me. I'm trying my best. So now I'm waiting for the fudge to cool, and my kitchen is a mess. So let's just hope they taste good because that was a mission, but I guess it's worth it. Alright, you guys, so we'll come back to those results very soon.
Hey, be quiet.
Alright, you guys, so this is our finished homemade fudge from my sister's recipe. It's a little thinner than I wanted, but it like held it up really well. I added a little bit of stuff over the walnuts because I thought they were going to sink, but they didn't. That's my bad. I have to realize this isn't like brownies. But overall, I'm impressed with how this one came out. The other one is actually still sitting, so. Alright, you guys, so we started cutting the fudge. I'm just using a pizza cutter. It's hard to get through the walnuts, but it's okay.
I love you, Mom.
There we go. Perfect.
Oh, can
I love you too, Ava.
Can I help?
In a minute, okay? Because this has sharp.
Can I help real quick?
And then that's the rest of us cutting it. Now we're going to try it in just a second.
Now, Ken?
Well, I think we might wait for the other one till we try it.
I want more.
Alright, you guys, so we have my sister's homemade recipe right here. Sorry, my hair's crazy, but it looks really good. This is just plain chocolate. It's really good. It's like perfect. It like melts in your mouth. It's like not too hard or too soft.
What?
Ava, shush, baby girl. Honestly, this one's probably already a winner because the other one isn't setting correctly, so you might not be able to use that one, so probably not recommended. I might be usable, maybe I have to sit longer than this one, but this one's already the perfect texture, and we made this one after the first one. So it was half of a success. I knew my sister's recipe was going to turn out good no matter what because I've had it year after year. I've made it with her before. And so, alright you guys, that's our Vlogmas today. And Ava, do you want to say bye? Have a good day?
Where's him?
It's our vlog. Say bye vlog. Merry Christmas.
Bye, vlog. Merry Christmas.